Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2022 Porsche Carrera 4 GTS. This is all courtesy of Porsche of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire. Thank you to them. Look at this spec. Ooh, Bose sound. Where's the thing? Oh. Put it down in there. Let's see here. 22 Carrera 4 GTS, a gate gray, GTS interior package in carmine red. Woohoo! That's pretty. All right, here we go. Premium pack, power folding exterior mirrors, deletion of GTS, roof transport system, rear axle steering, power steering plus, front axle lift, ambient lighting, 18-way seats, heated GT Sport steering wheel, which I have to figure out where the button is for that. Is it here? Is that it? No. I don't know. There's a button somewhere. Oh, it's probably buried in a sub menu. Either way, storage pack, vehicle keys painted exterior color. That's pretty sick. Central tachometer in red. Fire extinguisher. Center console lid in race text. So Alcantara. Interior matte carbon. Ooh, that's pretty. Bose surround, rear wiper is an option, LED or Porsche Dynamic Light System Plus, surround view and lane change assist. So Porsche is one of those brands where you can option a car however you want, and this one is optioned very, very well. Now we're in sport mode. This is of course the 7-speed manual. So let's see how this thing goes. I just drove the Turbo S, PDK of course, Carrera S, PDK, and now GTS 7-speed. The reason I'm driving in Sport, not Sport Plus, Sport has crackles. Crackles are nice. Yes, they're gimmicky. I don't care. Oh, that last 500 RPM, nothing sounds as good as that. Well, okay, GT3 RS with IPE exhaust, maybe, but that's the best sound right there. And then 7th gear, Grand Touring. Sounds so good, guys. It really does. The ride's comfortable too. Let's go into Sport Plus. This one doesn't have PCCB, carbon ceramic brakes, but in all honesty, it don't need them. Oh, okay. Alright, so. Oh, Sport Chrono. Hey! So. Driving the PDK. What do I think? It's sad to say, but I could go either way. I could drive a PDK one of these and be happy. And I could drive this all day and be super happy. We're at the point where PDK has gotten so good, I can't get the most out of this car. You have to, you can tell there's more to be had. And you know, yeah, if I took this out on a track and I really started to get used to it, sure, I could extract a lot. But I feel like I can't get the full potential out of this car with this transmission. As sad as it is to say. But on the flip side, driving around town, it's just that level of involvement being a little bit more special than it ever has been. It just makes it special. What do I think of the GTS as a whole, though? Oh, it bridges that gap between the Carrera and the Turbo. It bridges that gap. It also includes a little bit of GT3 in there. It's not on that level, but it's enough where I'd be like, yeah, I could daily drive the crap out of this thing. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.